What causes cakes to shrink after baking?
Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic that's puzzled many a home baker. Why do cakes shrink after baking? Understanding this can help improve your baking skills and ensure your cakes turn out just right every time.
What is cake shrinkage?
Let's start by understanding what we mean by cake shrinkage. Simply put, it's when your cake reduces in size after you take it out of the oven. It might pull away from the sides of the pan, or even sink in the middle. We all want our cakes to hold their shape, so let's explore why this happens.
The science behind the shrink.
The main cause of cake shrinkage is related to the structure of the cake and how it changes during the baking process. 1. Overbeating the batter. Overbeating incorporates too much air into the batter. This extra air can cause the cake to rise rapidly in the oven and then collapse once it's removed and the air cools. 2. Temperature fluctuations. If a cake cools too quickly, it can shrink. For a gradual cooling process, turn off the oven and leave the oven door slightly ajar with the cake still inside. 3. Incorrect oven temperature. If the oven temperature is too high, the cake will rise quickly and then deflate.
Baking the perfect cake.
Now that we know the causes, here are some tips to prevent cake shrinkage. 1. Avoid overbeating. Mix your batter just until the ingredients are combined. You want some air for leavening, but not too much. 2. Temperature control. Bake your cake at the correct temperature. Use an oven thermometer to verify your oven's accuracy. 3. Gradual cooling. Let your cake cool slowly. Turn off the oven and leave the door slightly open with the cake still inside for a while. By following these steps, you'll give your cake the best chance to keep its size and shape after baking. Understanding the science of baking is the first step to becoming a master baker. It's our hope that by unraveling the mystery of cake shrinkage, we've helped you on your journey to baking perfection. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep baking. Happy baking, everyone!